I'm getting nervous. There's a lot resting on this, a lot hinging on this, a lot riding on this. Top of the morning to everyone. What I'm working on today is I'm going to be doing the door gutters for the rain gutters. So I'm going to make me a template and then transfer that onto wood, probably a 1/2 inch, and trace it out on the wood and then cut it out, and that'll be for the rain gutters that'll go over the door right here. So that's what I'm working on. Okay guys, I got my first rain gutter installed. I'm loving it. It's going to really add to the motif. Is that a word, motif? I don't even know what that means. But anyway, looks good to me. Let this dry and set, and then I'll put the other side on. Over 80 pages of plans. I am finally done with the majority of the construction. Only thing left to do is put the ceiling panels on. I've got it all primed out, and we're one step closer to the big mystery. And that's this beast of a pantry. That's next. So here we go. Okay, I got my first 2 hinges installed. Yep, so the pantry is in the works. I'm getting nervous. There's a lot resting on this, a lot hinging on this, a lot riding on this. I don't know any more puns or funny takes on it, but a lot is riding on this. Will this fit on this? Stay tuned.